All right, so I have 1 week. Literally, today is Thursday. Next Thursday, I leave for my trip. So this is my capsule wardrobe. So we're going to go through it. And then I'm going to pack it. I really didn't want to overpack. I want to try to get everything into a mid-size suitcase. So all of that is going in here. So to pull that off, I did 2 skirts. I do have one on order that hasn't shown up yet that I might throw in the mix, but that's like a long gray skirt, and it can also be worn like a dress. So we'll see if I add that in. But so we have 2 skirts. I have a basic black and then a neutral white with design. These can both be for dressed up and dressed down. I did that because I don't plan on bringing any formal wear for the formal nights. So I can wear that if we choose to go to main dining and we need to dress up a little bit more. So for pants, I am bringing 5 pairs of pants. They are really easy. I have a pair of khaki slacks, which can easily be dressed up or down. A pair of black legging style trousers, which can also be up or down. And a pair of gray, they're kind of a tweedish material look, but they're not. They're really super comfortable, and those can also be dressed up or down, but they would definitely be, the dress down would be a little bit more formal. So I have that, and then I have my my yoga leggings, which are my another pair, which I will also wear on the flight home. And then the other thing, I did have to buy a new pair of jeans because my old jeans are kind of on their way out. So this is my travel outfit for next Thursday. It's supposed to be 65 degrees. So I am bringing a basic blazer with a white t-shirt and my jeans. And I'm pairing that with just some basic loafery flats. So those are my pants. So 5 pairs of pants. I have 1 workout outfit. I can use the yoga pants if I want to for your workout outfit, but I don't intend to. As far as tops, I'm doing 5 blouses. So I have a navy blue button down. It's a 3/4 sleeve. It's a great thing for layering, but it's also, I can dress up this skirt, I could dress it down. And then I also have this pinstripe shirt. And then I have these 3 polyester blouses. Now on Holland America, they have an orange night. I have a fantastic dress that I bought in the past, but I don't want to take up so much real estate in my luggage this time. So I'm opting not to bring it. So I assumed, and we'll see how I feel, but I think I'm going to do like the black skirt and the orange blouse. And then I also have these 2 blouses, which could be dressier or dressed down. I love those. They pack great, and that's huge. Plus they're lightweight, and that's a big deal right now because we want, not only do I want to get it all into that mid-size luggage so that I can transition from the cruise ship to the 2 different hotels easily. I don't want it to be too heavy. So I also have a cami for under any more sheer things, and then another cami for warmth. So these things can be multifunctional. T-shirts, we'll talk about that in a second. So I have a 3/4 sleeve navy blue. I have a light periwinkle color, an orange one, because I thought, again, I'm not sure which way I want to go for my pop of color. And then I grabbed this at Talbot's the other day. It's just a nice spring look, which is great. So because of the time of year that we're doing this, it's spring, but it's still cold. I can't predict how things are going to be. So I am actually packing more sweaters than I probably should, but that is because we're going to be doing a lot of outdoor walking. And if it's really cold, like if it's in the 50s or lower, I'm going to freeze. So I decided I'm bringing some sweaters. So I'm just bringing some neutral sweaters that could easily be dressed up or down. This is a cardigan, so this will be great over like if I just get cold. And then this, they're just all kind of neutral. And then for my, like a comfy, loungy outfit, I have my Cape Cod sweatshirt from Cuffy's. And I do intend on wearing this on the way home, like I said. Now, this sweater is really great because I can dress it up or down very easily, but I don't want the bulk. So instead of bringing a, I mean, I could easily throw the navy shirts underneath it, but I'm also going to bring a dickie. So I know some people are like, what? These are a wardrobe essential. I love them. I have some with the button down look and the more angled collars. But I thought this would be nicer because it would give it a softer look. So I thought, you know, I can wear that with any of the 3 sweaters. Probably not this one, just because to me that doesn't really feel like it fits, but you never know what I'm going to feel like. So I'm also bringing 2 pairs of like thicker socks. These are not really that thick. These walk really well. And then just a few pairs of low cut socks because I don't really need a lot. Shoes, we already saw I'm going to bring the loafers. I'm bringing a pair of tennis shoes because we're going to be doing a lot of walking and I do want to go hit the treadmill while I'm on the ship. My one dressier shoes are a pair of wedges. I actually need a wedge. I can't really do a regular heel anymore, so knowing that this is definitely going to take up a little real estate, but it feels like it's a necessary packed thing. And then my Rothy's, which are great because they're just little black flats and I can wear them up or just down. That's the shoes. So I am bringing 2 pairs of pajamas. One has like long pants. The other one is more of like the spring style. But then I'm also bringing a robe. And the robe will be for with my pajamas. But also, instead of bringing a bathing suit cover up to transition, to go from to like the spa or to the pool, I'm just going to use the robe. That way I'm not packing an extra thing. So as far as swimsuits, this one is great. It's just a regular bathing suit. It's lighter, but it's not my favorite. I love this. It's a 2-piece. The skirt covers up my hip replacement scar, so I don't feel as self-conscious, but it's kind of bulky and it's a little heavy. So when I'm packing, I'll decide, this is my preferred bathing suit, but if this is too big, I'm going to go with that. I am bringing 2 clutches so that I can throw my phone in it and my CPAS card and walk around the ship. So these really are for on the ship, just so that I have something a little nicer to walk around with and I'm not trying to, I mean, this skirt has pockets, but the other one does not. My other black pants don't have a pocket. So there's not always something for me to, tuck things aside. And they're small, so it's easy to add in. Let's see. Oh, coats. I decided I'm just doing trench coats. Lightweight, totally easy to pack, and then I'll just layer. It just feels like the right thing to do. So I'm just bringing a more traditional rain style jacket, and then a typical black trench and a scarf so I can add for warmth. I already have my jewelry packed, and then my toiletries and essentials. I'll deal with that later because if I have to put that into my carry-on stuff, I can make that decision later. But a lot of the things that I'm bringing, I might not necessarily be bringing back because I don't want to pack it again, or I plan on using it and then just leaving it behind. This, I'm not talented enough to fold it back into its little pouch, but this is a carry-on size bag. The bag unzips so that you can add more space. And I'm just going to pack this in the luggage as an extra bag because I want to have room to be able to bring home gifts for the kids and my husband. But if I need to, I figure I could always just throw my toiletries in it and deal with that. But that's my extra space. But I'm hoping I can just get that into the luggage. So that's everything, pretty much. And yeah, so what I plan on doing is I'm going to do a video diary. So each day I'll do an outfit check, kind of show you what I'm doing. And obviously I wouldn't be able to do this if I wasn't doing laundry on the ship. We did buy the unlimited package. It's completely worth it. The package is per room. I believe we paid $160 for the entire 13-day trip for unlimited laundry. And it comes back beautifully pressed. I have, to me, that is one of my favorite parts. I mean, I love Holland America. It is one of my favorite cruise lines. But that is like one of my favorite things that they do. I look forward to that because then I don't have to worry about anything. So this is packing light, and then I don't have to worry about laundry. The other thing is when we get off the ship, we have 5 days. I wanted to make sure I had 5 outfits, and that's good. And then if we have an unusually warm day, which is very, very likely, I figured I could just throw on a skirt and walk around in that. So what do you think? Do you think I did it? I mean, I'm sure I could weed some stuff out, but this is my capsule wardrobe. Oh, I do have a purse and a wallet that I ordered for shopping there, but they haven't shown up yet, so I don't know if it's going to come. So that's why it's not in the video. But yep, I'm getting so excited. I can't wait.